admin abuse, I think. Hey, guys, I am calling with my friend, but you can't hear him. But I can, okay? Uy, just type slash. No, kahit hindi mo na kailangan sulatin slash, tas dapat hindi capital E. Don't worry, I'll make that right. Okay? Guys, but there's gonna be an admin abuse. Try mo, guys. Try slash. Ano yung short? Okay. Oo, dapat hindi ka gumagalaw. Don't need to because you... Yes, good. I'm just gonna grab a drink then run my first event. Yay! Huy! Ama, kaya tingnan natin yung seed shop. Walang maganda sa seed shop. Sad. I'm gonna talk to him. Na 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 na. Let's go dance. Wait. Remember the roller coaster? Okay, good. Okay, Billy, come here. Dance here. Dito ka sa isang side ka. There. Okay. Wait lang, hindi ko pa nasabi sa akin. Wait lang, wag muna. No muna. 2. Okay. Dapat okay. Okay, 3, 1, go! After this B event, I will run a new admin event. Huy, Kyra, magkaka-admin event. Yay, guys. Like, yay. Gambong siya. Huy, Kyra, grape. Burn grape. Yo, Kyra, admin abuse. Nag-admin abuse siya. Ay. Yay, Kyra, legendary yung grapes, bro. A little bit. Yeah. Hindi. No, well, that's not. Para sa mga admin lang, like me. Ako parang pwede ako mag-ban ng mga tao, pero hindi ako admin. I can't ban people, but I'm not really admin. I can just ban. Liar! You're lying. Are you lying? Me forever, bro. Me forever. Are you sure? Okay, you want me to ban you in Grow Garden? I wanna run away. I wanna run away. Away from mountain place. Yeah, I wanna run away. Baby from this place. I'm gonna do it, guys. I'm gonna do it. I have awakened. You awakened. You. There's an admin review. Yes, we're gonna have. How much is that worth, bro? Check it out. Sana mag-Skyro, sana mag-strike sa atin. I hope this strikes through. Oh my god. Jandal! Where's Jandal? Where's Jandal? Okay, how much, guys? Sell mo? Kyra, how much siya? Di- I-ask ko lang. Gusto ko lang. Alam eh. So, guys. Bro, sugar apple is in stock. Joke lang. We are at what 12 million already. Sana all, guys. Is that... Yeah. Bro, yay. Yay. Nah, if that's your admin, it's if that's yours, can do it. Yo, that is this is the admin admin. Oh, this is I'm a there. Yo, give me yeah. For what? No, no, never. This is so expensive. This is 3 billion only. I will. Why? I just had. Why? This one? It's not the Ember Lily, bro. Imagine it, bro. The Jandal monkey pet. Bro, stop being mean to Jandal. He's one of my favorites. If you, Jandal, if you are brighter speaking right now, let Jandal speak. Sea Otter watered your grape plant. Thank you, Sea Otter. Okay. Hey, I will. Hey, you want to steal something worth? Yo, Ember Lily in stock. Yay! Ember Lily is in stock. Yay! Just kidding. I'm making it rain tonight. Yes, make it rain. I'm gonna put this in relate. Oh, Kyra, gusto mo magka 14 million pera? Ah, yes, the alien mutation is my favorite in game. Eto, Kyra, halika. Halika, Kyra. Kyra, halika. Eto, Kyra, isang mushroom 14 million dito. Pero meron dyan there's a more expensive mushroom there, Kyra. Ito, Kay, yung tall one, Kyra. Ito, Kay, yung mushroom na to. Para maging mayaman ka. Bro, that's not cute. No, bro, that's a mango. What the? Candy blossom? Guys, tonight my mom is... nga. It's not candy blossom, bro. You think everything... My wife is asleep again. Should I wake her up at 20 mil players? So datin mo, Kyra, no? Kasi, you know, let people sleep. Bro, Kyra! Pag nagising niya, wife niya, magkaka-bad luck siya. JK, joke na. Kyra, meron pa dito malaking, ay, hindi pala, kala ko malaki. Kyra, Kyra, steal the mushroom. It's really expensive. Where? There's no alien in your garden. Where is it? Oh, shit. Bro, guys, I think this is gonna be an alien event. Bro, I will give you this if you win the race later, okay? Wait, I will do it. I will let you steal something. The alien is there. What? The violet card. Come here to my garden. Press seeds and you go to my garden. Who got the song for this event? Oh wait, I'ma hear this song first. Yo, I feel like I am in some nightmare grade TV show. Be great. Go to the seed shop and go to my garden. Go now, Kyra, leave. Yeah, go now, Kyra, leave. Garden ko. Pindutin mo seed shop. Yeah. Come here, look at this. And look at this fountain. Kamukha ko? Do I look like it? Okay. You look like the fat mango. Joke lang. You look like... What's that? Ano yun? Ano yung Edu Frog? Ano yung Edu Frog? Come here, go to the shell shop. Go to the shell. Go. Coca-Cola. Pew. Okay. Yes. Yes. Kyra, come here. Sheet shop. Go to sheet shop. Okay. In 3, 2, 1, go. Behind you. I'm here. It's not cheating, but you still can have it. I don't need it. I don't need it nga. Hoy, Kyra, pili mo na. Kyra, buy the like frog. Yung frog. Ay, wala. Sorry. Buy the fun crate. Bilhin mo yung fun crate. In the cosmetics. Stop being weird, bro. Mga kulit mo. Bro. Hoy, Kyra, bili, Kyra. Punta ka sa garden ko. Magda-dance tayo. Punta ka na nga. Oh. Fine. I'll dance in your garden. Guys, don't forget to subscribe. Okay. Nagda-dance talaga tayo. There's no music. I don't hear any music. Huh? Okay. What's to be done? All I can
It's raining tacos from out of the sky. Tacos, no need to ask why. Just open your mouth and close your eyes. It's raining tacos,
raining tacos.
on the street. Tacos, all you can eat. Lettuce and shells, cheese and meat. It's raining tacos. Yum, 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 yum.
You're welcome.
Bring your sour cream.
Shell. Meat.
Thank you. I'm gonna sell it. Bro. Oh, you can eat. Ready to eat. It's raining tacos. It's raining tacos. Yeah. What? What's rare? Hoy, asan ka na, Kyra? Ah, hindi siya kahit ganun ka-rare. Hindi siya ganun ka-rare, pero legendary siya, mythical. Yes, you can have that candy blossom. Because look at my candy blossom. Really? Hey, do you still have your moon melon? Do you still have a moon melon, Kyra? Kyra, do you still have a moon melon? Alex still. Bro, can you give it to me, please? Bro, give it to me. Give it to me. Joke na. Yay. Yes, please. Salamat. Thank you. Yay, 4 million worth. Yay. Yes. Thank you. Kyra. When I get so many candy blossom, I will give you something. No, Kyra, sulatin mo sugar apple. Kyra, if I have so many candy blossoms, I will give you 4 billion worth emerald. Uy, kakao! You guys! Admin abuse, bros. Admin abuse. Wrong sugar apple. Yes, Kyra, yes, please. Beanstalk. I need beanstalk, yes. Yes, guys, we need beanstalk. Yes. Beanstalk. I need beanstalk. We need sugar apple. We need sugar apple also, bro. Nice. Okay. Huh? Ano? Nice. Yes. If it's a strawberry, it's not. Strawberry ba yan? Give it to me. I will examine it, Kyra. Kyra, give it to me. I will examine it, Kyra. Kung titingnan ko kung legendary. I'm gonna give it back. I-examine ko siya. Okay. I hope you all enjoyed the update. Thank you. Bro, how did you get the frog? How did you get the frog? Can I can I trade for your? Please, I want to trade for your frog. Oh, wag na pala, Kyra, kasi yung frog, because the frog is the most, is the most bad pet in the game. One off. Hindi one off, Kyra, pero mga 7 or, right, 16.1 million players already or record almost. Kyra, nag-world record na yung guys. Guys, if you want to be in this video, I will give you a lot of things. No way. No way. No, hindi pa kasi Kyra. Wait lang, be patient. Hindi sprinkler. Yay! Yo, yay! My first ever master sprinkler. Okay. Karma. Okay. Okay na. In 2 minutes, I'm gonna try run space travel, but I'm nervous. Don't be nervous, please. Are you Jandal or Masaiper? Or Jandal or Bry? I don't even know how to spell his name. I'm gonna try the really. Try this. Okay, get ready. Yes, 33 minutes before everyone head to the seed shop area. We need to prepare for the blast off. Go to the seed shop, bro. Go to the seed shop. You're there. 3 minutes, 1 minute till I run this. Bro, okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. They're sleeping. Yo! Yo! Oh! Yo, what's happening? What's happening? Oh! Oh, I'm floating! Dahil mag-jump ka. Jump. I'm gonna go to guys, music. Recommend this. This looks so sick. This is gonna be like a sea update. I can already climb to my grapes. Yes, finally, the destination. I'm jumping to the clouds, bro. I am ganda sobra. What's happening? Okay. Yeah, bro, that's sick. Your friend has sick mushrooms. Wait. Oh my gosh! I got the rainbow! I got the rainbow sugar apple! Kyra! I have a rainbow. My global chat broke. Yay! Jandel! Si Jandel na yan. Hindi na yun si Brighter. Kyra, I have a rainbow! I have a rainbow sugar apple! The spaceship broke my chat. Yeah? Si Brighter. Ano din siya? Ano din siya? Siya din yung owner. Dalawa sila. Si Jandel at si Brighter admin. Malamang sila ngayon magagawa kayo eh. Should I run a sugar apple at 25 minutes? Yes, Kyra, we need another sugar apple. Bro, I'm giving you something else. Bro, the best. I don't care if I give you that because I have a rainbow. Oh my god. Sugar apple. I got a rainbow sugar apple. No, never, ever. Oh, I have a rainbow beanstalk also. Kyra. Kyra, I'm gonna tell you something. Don't spam your words again and again. Because mababan. Like this. No. Tas isa pang hello, Kyra. Tas more hello. Bawal ka mag hello. Madaming times. Bawal mo isend madaming times hello. Kasi, or kahit anong words, wag mo isend ulit. Kasi kaya mababan ka sa Roblox. Okay? Hindi. Mga one day, I was saying at 25 minutes, I'm gonna stop to wearable. Pero pwede naman, kaya kung uulit mo pa. Nice, Kyra. Pero pag niuulit mo pa din, Kyra, mga 25 days, mga 6 months, like that. Bro, can I have that coconut, please? Yay! I want to give it to a subscriber. Thank you. Bro, joke lang. I'm not gonna give this to my subscribers because I will give my subscribers Candy Blossom. So if you want one, just subscribe and continue username. I'm gonna give... Aha! But hindi ka niya narinig. Hindi ko alam bakit. They can't hear you, bro. Hindi, Kyra. Wala akong magagawa. The mic doesn't let people... Like, yung mga katawag ko hindi marinig. Pero hindi ko pa alam kung narinig talaga, okay? Kasi dati hindi talaga ikaw narinig eh. Oo. Guys, Alex here, my friend Kyra. He's saying hi daw. Sometimes it blows my mind. I am just typing to 7 million people. I'm gonna bro, let's type the community is unreal and mind blowing. Yes. Oh guys, hi daw, but kamusta daw guys? Pero hindi man niyo sa nirinig, sayang. Look at this, they can't hear you. Kamusta means hello? Look at this. Uy, sugar ako gusto. Sugar ako gusto. I'm so happy. Grabe. No way, bro. No way. This is not my first time, but I like it. I'm so happy. Bro, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. This is 6 million. Okay, I will give you this if you give. I will give you this if you give back the Candy Blossom. The one that I give you, if you want this. Woo! Sorry, Pika. Kaya mag-plus e-dance ko. Plus e-dance. Yay! Oh, you're going back to the game. What? Yes, but there's gonna be super nice update later. Sobrang ganda. Bro, fine. Hi, Kyra. Hindi pa na... Kyra, I'm sorry. I'll not play any games later. Except for Draw a Garden. Laro na lang tayo horror game later, okay? I'm boring in Brookhaven. Bro, nawala. Bro, why are you still dancing? Why are you still dancing? What? You're bored in playing this game? Kyra, asan ka bored? Kyra, what game are you bored? This game? Bro, I have a really big... Oh my gosh, I have a so big, apple, sugar apple, yay. Yes? What? Yeah, I know. Good night. I'm gonna be good. He's gonna wake up your wife. Oh my god. I'm a bed. Sprinkler. Yay, we have a mask. Bro, Kyra. Gentle. Bro, this is just a humble one. Okay. What do you mean I love you, Gentle? Oh my god. So literally. I play Grow a Garden every day. I never had a day that I haven't played Grow a Garden since when I know it. Bro, I just started. No, yes, no, yes. Dude. Bro, I got the large
It's
beanstalk.
raining tacos from out of the sky. Tacos, no need to ask why. Just open your mouth and close your eyes. It's raining tacos.
Tacos. Out in the street. Tacos. All you can eat. Lettuce and shells. Cheese and meat. It's raining tacos. Yum, 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 yum. It's like a dream. Yum, 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 yum. Bring your sour cream.
Shell, meat, lettuce, cheese,
Bro, Kyra, I have so big.
shell, meat,
I have so big, Kyra.
cheese.
It's raining tacos. Raining
Yo,
tacos.
sana all.
Raining tacos.
Bro, Kyra, I have a so big, so big. You have a rainbow and I have a so big. I have so big sugar apple. Look at it. Look at my big sugar apple. Go to my garden. Yo, go to my garden. This is so big. Yo, this is so big, Kyra. Kyra, go to my garden. Kyra, Kyra, mushroom stock. Sobrang daming mushroom stock. Kyra, stocking time daw. Oh. Ah. Can I please what? Ano, Kyra? Pepper seed din, Kay. Guys, Kyra, ang dami kong rainbow. Oh, I think the bunker is I never got a rainbow dragon fruit. Please. Please, please, please. Thank you. Yep, 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 yep. I never got a rainbow dragon fruit. I'm not flying, guys. If you think I'm lying, then I don't know. I gotta know. Is that freaking so on the house? So like right now, on the house. Is that right? Huh? On the house. And then I said, what? What's happening? Yo, I'm jumping. If I jump, I fly. If I wonder if anyone will find the Easter egg in this event. This event has a secret will be not revealed. This event has a secret that will not be revealed. Guys, you made it to this. You need to subscribe. And what goes up must come down. Alien ship. Ah. No. I will run it one more time. Time for people to look. Yo. I'm so happy. I'm so freaking happy. Bro. Yo, again. This again. Yo. Bro, Kyra, go behind your garden, by the way. Kyra, go behind your garden. There's something really cool. You can jump rocks. Pwede ka mag-jump sa mga rocks. Can I have a dragon fruit, please? Never mind, bye. Yeah, one final OP stock before the super seeds come into the game. Kyra, OP stock. Okay. I'm gonna give it a random person because that's why I like skills. I like to give them away. 7 minutes before the update. Do a OP stock. Bro, Kyra, I think I have the biggest apple, the sugar apple in the game. Look at this. Kyra, all my sugar apple is big. Oh my god! Joke lang. It's a prank, guys. It's a joke. I'm not crying, okay? Don't call me a crybaby. Okay, okay. I'm so happy. Oh, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. 1 minute until the last winner seed shop. Please, I like say your goodbyes to Sam. Bro, Kyra, Sam is si Brighter. Parang si Sam si Brighter. Bye. Feeling ko si Sam Brighter siya, si Brighter. Feeling ko lang pero hindi talaga ako sure. Yo, I have so much big. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. You better be kidding me. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's the best day in my life. Well, it's the best update that I ever seen. Bro, there are 1,000 Ember Lilies. Joke lang, joke lang. Bro, you always joke me. Time for me to joke you. You really believed it. Yeah, you believed it. Pero feeling ko magkaka-Ember Lily later. Bro, I have so many rainbow beanstalks. I'm just gonna give it away for free. Kyra, is that your friend? Cream_deck? Bro, that's so expensive. Bro, Kyra, go there to the shop, bro. Go to the shop. Oh my god. So OP. Pepper, yo, guys. This is so OP. Mushroom. Uy, grapes. Mango. Kuy, Kyra, this is so OP mango. No, I'm not gonna buy dragon fruit na. I don't need. Nah, I don't like. Cactus, no. Oh. Sam is providing. Okay. Ember Lily again. I think this is gonna be the best pack ever. Coconut! Time for me to buy it. Thank you, Lord. Bamboo! Nah, I'm not gonna buy bamboo. I need space. I'm gonna buy bamboo later. Bro, put sugar apple already, bro. Put sugar apple. No, put sugar apple. This was an OP stuff. Sugar apple. Yay, I'm so happy. Hell yeah. New DJD. Why? What's what? Where? What? Where's what? Yo, summer harvest and yes, bro. This is the best, bro. Congratulations. Bro, so congrats for him. I'm so congrats for him, guys. Bro, thank you for watching this video. Bye. I'm gonna make a live to YouTube.